Asühpü Tsűngkamnyo. Aginjiki Minchibenye, most respected our Hanbudungbu, Siriza Lirio IS retired, Honorable Advisor Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, Government of Nagaland, most respected our tribal guests, Sri Vikato Achumi, President Western Sumi Hoho and his official colleagues, most respected our tribal guests, Sri Zado Kimho, President Chakruma Public Organization and his official colleagues, respected our special invitees, Sri Gyovi Chopi, President Western Sumi Gagami Hoho and his official colleagues, respected our special invitees, Eddie Sinulen, Mrs. Asang, Sri Nuhuda D, NCS, STO Civil Guhubudo, respected our invitees, Sri Kukado Awomi President Egege, Sri Isauto President Nuland Districts GB Association, Sri Gege H. Hiptomi President GGBO. Respected our invitees, head GBs, VCCs, GBs of neighboring villages, respected our host village, head GB, VCC, GBs and council members of all Choba village, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of Western Yimkhiung Hoho, bring warm and joyous Tsűngkamnyo greetings to each and every one of you present here today.